Well, hello again, you lovely lot. Welcome back to a bit of a brisk morning. It's actually freezing down here in sunny Cornwall. We go. But at least it isn't wet. I've had enough of the wet. Yes, another video team. And today is all about commuting to work. Pros, cons, using your motorbike in the winter, commuting to work. I'm quite lucky in the sense that it isn't my main mode of transport. I just choose it to be one of my main modes of transport. I've got my car, so on a cold day or on a wet day, I don't really need to get wet and cold. I choose to because I'm a moron, and morons like motorbikes. Now, I'm sure many of you watching this video are all going to be like-minded motorcycle riders, just as stupid as I am. The pros certainly outweigh the cons in my mind. I mean, first of all, look at the commute I get to do every morning. Look at this. Cute little Cornish village, through the countryside. Lovely scenery. Roads are not the best this time of year, thanks to the tractors, but we'll gloss over that. This is what I'm talking about. You don't need to put your bikes away when the winter comes. Yes, it's not enjoyable when you get wet. It isn't, I don't care. It's not enjoyable. But, is it the end of the world? Are you made of sugar? Unless you're super sweet like me. You are not made of sugar. You are skin and bone. Main thing for me is time. Well, the point I was going to make is the amount of time you save commuting on the motorbike, but when you're stuck behind Cornish buses, apparently not. So that was a fail. So yes, as I was saying, time is a massive factor when commuting on a motorbike. I cut my journey down by 10-15 minutes from being in a car, which is obviously quite a lot, which means I can have my morning coffee a bit longer. I can chill out for a bit more at home before heading off to work. I've got the option, as so many of you know from riding motorbikes, that overtaking, filtering, all plays a massive factor in commuting to work, as I shall now demonstrate. Look at all this traffic. See ya! Moving over, thank you very much. Exhibit A. If I was in the car, I'd still be back up below the roundabout. I've just cut out, what, 12 cars? Get round all the traffic. All clear, good to go. Going. Push my way to the front, thank you very much. A red, a yellow, a green. See you later, fuckers. Wouldn't have done that in the car. I suppose the biggest thing at the minute though with the whole living crisis, it's going to be fuel costs. This has a 13.5 litre tank. Cost me roughly 16-17 quid to fill up. I get, on paper, 160 miles to a tank. Quick maths is not my strong point. Save argument's sake, 20 quid, 150 miles. It's 40 quid for 300. And then let's say my car costs me, what, 65 to fill up, and that only gives me 350 miles. So I am saving money. Not a huge amount, granted. Depends how you ride, obviously, but I like to ride this like a bit of a twat in the mornings because it's fun. But overall, you're riding your motorbike, aren't you? Which is what I enjoy doing the most. It's what I love doing. It's my biggest passion. And I don't see why the winter has to have a factor in not being able to do that. I am going to have to invest in some heated gloves though, because I am sick of getting frostbite in the mornings. Even though I've got winter goodies on, they don't really do a lot. I might have to get some heated grips, one of the two. And that's my little quick fire reasons why you should commute. Not to mention free parking in town. Right, well, it's been a pleasure as always, team. If you've enjoyed the video, give it a little like. If you can, give it a little subscribe, and I shall see you in the next one. Ciao for now.